Is your Nintendo Switch stuck in the dreaded frozen screen of doom? Don't panic, because in the next 90 seconds, we're going to troubleshoot this and get you back to gaming. First, let's try a simple hard reset. Press and hold the power button located on the top left of your Switch. Keep holding it down for a full 12 seconds. This forces the system to shut down completely. After 12 seconds, release the power button. Wait a few seconds. Now, press the power button again to turn your Switch back on. Hopefully, this simple reset will have cleared the frozen screen, and the Switch will boot up normally. If the hard reset didn't work, the problem might be with the game card. Power off your Switch completely, the same way we did before. Once it's off, remove the game card. Inspect the game card for any dirt or damage. Use a soft, dry cloth to gently clean the metal contacts on the card, then reinsert the game card firmly into the slot. Still no luck? Let's check the battery. Plug your Switch into the dock or a USB-C charger and let it charge for at least 30 minutes. Even if the screen remains black, a completely drained battery can sometimes cause freezing issues. If none of these steps have worked, there might be an issue with your system software. If your Switch turns on at all, navigate to System Settings, then System, and finally, Initialization Options. Choose Reset from here. You can try Initialize without deleting save data. This will remove some system data, but keep your game saves intact. Be warned, this is a last resort before a full factory reset if the problem persists. After this, contact Nintendo support for further assistance. And there you have it. Hopefully, one of these solutions has thawed that frozen screen and got you back in the game. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Nintendo Switch tips and tricks.